Aegis, Advanced Ground Information Systems, makers of LifeRing software. LifeRing puts a command operations center in the palm of your hand. For soldiers on the ground, being able to gather and share intel with other soldiers as well as with command units is mission critical. In the past, this has been accomplished using various radios, mapping devices, GPS devices, video and camera equipment, all requiring advanced training and all need to be carried into the field. LifeRing software is a single app that loads on a smartphone and handles all these tasks by simply tapping on the screen. LifeRing enables real-time situational awareness between all smartphone, tablet, and PC users up and down the chain of command to create a scalable C4I Common Operational Picture, or COP system of the mapped area and the precise location of all users, and provides everything you need to communicate and collaborate between others in your group. This can be extended to include civilian action teams or emergency responder groups. The PC version of LifeRing offers a robust suite of command and control tools with seamless integration to medical and logistics information systems, and has the ability to see the whole common operational picture of all the users along with their movements as well as markers, tracks, and communications. For the purpose of this video, we're focusing on the smartphone and tablet functionality. Once downloaded and launched, the LifeRing display provides a mapped view of your current location. The one-touch selection-oriented display includes the main menu, PTT Group button, PTT Talk button, Map Point Selection button, Center on Map button, and Add Marker button. Your location appears as a green triangle. Other users in your group will display as a blue rectangle. If multiple users are in the same vicinity, they will show as a stacked symbol with the number of users on top. The group is usually set up prior to the mission. If you need to join or change groups, simply touch the main menu button and choose Groups. Enter or choose a group name and select which permissions you want available. If your group is using Push to Talk, be sure the PTT box is checked. To use Push to Talk, simply tap the PTT button on the screen.
Fireteam 1 has joined Group Apache and are ready to proceed.
Copy that, Fireteam 1. Proceed to Sector Kilo 6 for Presence Patrol. I am adding markers to show you buildings that need to be searched.
To add a marker to the map, simply tap the plus sign on the home screen to bring up a menu of military standard 2525 symbols to easily identify the threat type. Select the group the symbol should be displayed in and a session time for how long it should be displayed. Once the symbol is added, it can be selected to bring up the detail menu to bring up latitude, longitude, range, and bearing. Tap the detail menu to display the submenu. Tap Modify to change the symbol. Add a name that will be displayed on the screen above the marker. Tap Text to add a description or more details. Tap Photo and the app accesses your device's camera to take a picture or video from within LifeRing. Now the marker, name, details, and image are available to everyone in your group.
Fireteam 1 currently located in vicinity of Building 424 in Kilo 6. Possible insurgent detained. Sending photo for confirmation.
Fireteam 1, intel received. The photo and details you provided on local confirm he is an insurgent. Stand by for QRF to extract.
Squad 1, this is QRF-1. We have received intel and are on the way. Please indicate safe route.
LifeRing has a whiteboard feature that allows the user to draw on the map. Simply tap the main menu button and select Whiteboard. The left-hand buttons will now control the drawing mode and color for the whiteboard. Select the tool and color and use your finger to draw on the map.
QRF-1, we have added route for you to join up with Fireteam 1. Suggest switching to satellite map to see local paths. Report when you are in position.
LifeRing has 8 default map options built in. Other maps can be preloaded on the device or accessed via internet if available. To change the map, tap the main menu and select Maps.
We are changing to satellite map now. We see the path and are proceeding to target.
LifeRing has built-in chat and messaging for users to communicate when voice comms are either unavailable or there is a need for silence. Tap the main menu button and select Messages. Tap Users to see all the participants in the group. Tap the name of a user to message them one-to-one. Tap the plus sign to message everyone in the group. Chats are always sent to the whole group. Other users are notified of incoming messages with a vibration or audible chirp. There is a small message icon next to their symbol showing that they have messages. One of LifeRing's most compelling features is the ability to declare an emergency that immediately alerts all users on the network. Declaring an emergency will cause a flashing red circle to surround the user's symbol on the main map for all to see.
Emergency
All
received.
users will have their map automatically center on the location of the user in distress, giving their exact position.
Rick 7, what is your emergency?
I am cut off from rest of fire team and taking small arms fire from second floor of building in Kilo 6.
Rick 7, we see you. Mark the exact position of shooter and stand by.
The point selection button allows the user to add a marker to the map that is not at their exact location. Once the map position is set, simply click the plus sign to add a marker.
Rick 7, we have position of shooter and will provide cover. Shooter is down.
Fireteam 1 is clear, and Rick 7 is rejoined group. Emergency has been cancelled.
Command, this is Fireteam 2. We have visual on 6 rocket launch vehicles in Kilo 9.
An option on select versions of LifeRing is the Call for Fire command from the main menu. Place the Center On tool at the location. Choose the nature of the call for fire, and tap the green check icon. This pinpoints the ground location for a command strike and can receive aerial data and maritime sensor data that identify location of ships at sea.
Fireteam 2, we see location. Fireteam 2, target destroyed.
In this scenario, we've shown how a soldier on the ground carrying a single smartphone or tablet device is able to send and receive voice, message, photo and video communications, gather and share intel, receive and issue commands, and plot and pinpoint targets and routes on a map, all while providing real-time situational awareness between all other users up and down the chain of command to common operational picture, all within a single app with single screen tapping. LifeRing, a complete C4I system in the palm of your hand. For more information, visit Aegis on the web at www.aegisinc.com.